What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Today I got some stuff to show you I've been sitting on for a while, but we're going to do 5 tools I've purchased to make my handyman business go a little better. Definitely worth the investment. I didn't pay a bunch of money besides for 1 or 2. Anyways, let's dive into the video and let's see what's up. So to start us off, this is my old, I've had this for a while, Sherwin drill bit set that's been fantastic. This is for metal, cobalt steel, or whatever you'd call it, is the make of it. But, you know, it's a full set. You can see the sizes pretty well. Some of them are starting to dull, and some of them have been replaced. I've lost 1 or 2, I think 1, but these slide out. It's just a very nice kit. And then in here, if you need a tap or something, it has the fractional taps, machine screw taps, all that info right here for the bit size. So very cool set. But I kind of needed another set just to have on hand. So High Spec is an Amazon brand, and the pictures were deceiving. So let's open this up. Full disclosure, I bought the High Spec because I needed, you know, when you're doing work like this, handyman work or remodeling or stuff, your tools are everywhere. And I needed another set of just drill bits to have around the house just in case. I do have sets, but they're incomplete. They're, you know, chaotic. But here we go. So it's the High Spec 130 piece drill multi-bit set in tray case. DT 40284. Let's open this up, see what we got. It is UL listed. High Spec 3-year warranty, registration required. So on Amazon, this looks to be, the way they make it, looks to be a metal case. It's not. It's plastic. It's chintzy. Let's dive in. So we'll start off with the 5/16 here. They do come in your metal. They have a masonry bit and then your wood bit here. Now on it, just like the Sherwin, on this one. So I'm kind of ignorant to stuff. I just use it and get stuff done, but HSS, I'm guessing means hardened steel, something, you know, you guys can tell me down in the comment section. It's not a bad set for the money. They are what they are. They're disposable, they break or something. I'll put these to the test, but, you know, if you ever seen these and were thinking about them, this is what you get. It's not a bad set because you get a lot, but you know how good it is, I don't know. We'll see. So I just purchased this. It's a Wallabot DIY 2. It's a stud finder. It locates pipes and stuff. It runs off of a free app on your phone. So this scans the wall and your phone shows you what's in it. So pipes, electrical, and it really finds the center of the stud, and you can mark this. You can line it up right on the center. It shows it. This is by far is $180–90, but very well worth it. Just when you're doing it repetitively. Listen, I've used, you know, the old knocking technique. I've done well with that. These ones that have like depths and show metal and electrical, they're very fidgety. I have not had any luck with these ones, although this one's slightly better, which is surprising because the K-Wheats or whatever is not a bad brand for electrical stuff. But this has been an actual good and old trusty, and it does a very good job of finding them. These like cheap ones are always the best in my opinion. Also, the old-fashioned tape measure, so you can always measure out, you know, 1.5 inches or whatever, and get out to 16 inches, you know, come off the wall a little bit, and then, you know, 16, 32, but some new houses are 24 inches. But you could usually find it with this and get close. Sometimes take a small drill bit and just make a, you know, a little zoop into the wall, depending what you're doing, but hanging a TV or something. This to me is well worth the money for what I'm doing, because it's just gets you right there, no waste of time, and you're finding studs, hitting studs perfectly. So I feel like this is a must-have for a handyman. Simplifies things. The second thing, and this is in no particular order, but the color snap from Sherwin. Very useful to have. You're going to inevitably be, you know, painting stuff for people and whatnot. So it's this little machine here that connects to your phone, and, you know, it unlocks. Hold it up to the paint, it snaps a picture, it gives you the best color match, best sheen, and then the colors to make that paint. So you could take it, you don't have to go to Sherwin-Williams, you could take it Lowe's, Home Depot, show them the mix, the color, and they'll hit it. So I think that comes in handy for older painting that you're trying to match if you're fixing something. Number 3, circuit breaker finder. This Klein works very well. So you plug this into an outlet, take this down, turn it on, and you just keep going around the panel. It keeps, and then finally it'll land on the right circuit. And it's just one of those, why not, safe. It's $40, $50. I did purchase the Milwaukee one. I'm going to be testing that out. But also in this kit that I have, just for fun, and this was cheap, it makes noises and stuff, so you can just start flipping breakers, and when the noise goes off, also plug in a radio, but they don't have that anymore. And then this works out well because you got alligator clips, so even like a light fixture, you can clip it on that circuit and then just plug that guy in, alligator clip to the light fixture, turn the power on, you can find that circuit. So just something that like saves you time, saves a little bit of the guesswork out of stuff. So 4th and 5th go together here. This is a Weedo. We'll just call it a Weedo. First one of these I've ever purchased, and this was 70 bucks, 60 bucks with the whole shebang, and it's nicely, I mean, it's nicely packaged. It's a laser level. I will do a more in-depth video on this thing, but so far so good. I did a drop ceiling and then another project with it after that. This comes with a stand, 2 batteries, charger, you know, other stuff here and there for adjustments, but and a remote. So let me set this up right here, and we will turn it on. All right, so we go that way. So you take the remote, you got your verticals. So now you're making a vertical there, 2 verticals. You can cancel the verticals, horizontal, double horizontal. and then off. So boom, boom, boom. Verticals. Boom, 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 boom. And it's worked really well. I mean, it's self-leveling. So you start doing that, and then it gets back to level. Comes with the stand, like I said, second battery, things to mount it, and magnetic bases, all that stuff. Batteries last a really long time. I probably had this on for 4 hours, and I'm still using that first battery probably for another hour, another job. Now, hold on. I was so impressed with that one. I picked this one up. This one was 30 or 40 bucks. It's the same thing. Comes with 2 batteries, a charger, which I charged up because I didn't know how long these batteries would last, and then a whole nother same laser level there. And the thing, I mean, it works. It works very well. You can see the lines even with lights on. Here's a little stand for it. I think this is like a magnetic base thing. You can screw this into the wall, use that. It's just for the price. And again, it's packaged in here nicely, which is always a plus for sure. But huge game changer for me. Awesome. So for $69, there's a lot of options, but this is, I think it goes 16, 18, 20 feet, but it's for the laser level. It worked out good for the drop ceiling I did. The base holds up fine. This is, you know, adjustable, has a level built in. It worked out really well. Yeah, it dangles up there pretty high, but I need it to be up at about a little over 9 feet, a little over, or yeah, close to 9 feet, hair under 9 feet. I think we did 8 feet, 10 inches, something like that. This is a great kit, nice investment. You know, so for this and 2 laser levels under 200 bucks, I think I'm pretty well set there. Again, I'll show you further testing in other videos with the laser levels and this other stuff. Like we'll do a competition with the stud finders and circuit testers and all that stuff. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I will link all of this stuff down in the description in case you're interested in it. The handyman business is going fantastic. Taking on a lot bigger jobs as opposed to small, you know, fixing sinks and stuff, but that's fine by me. You know, word of mouth is going well, so everything's on the up and up there. So it can happen. You can do it. I'm going to start making some more maybe vlog type videos of every day. I want to try and post as much as I can, and so you guys can learn as I learn, because there's a lot to learn, you know, and I'm still learning how to do stuff every day, finding more effective ways to do things. I also switched over to DeWalt, so I have a lot of videos that will be fun. Did that last year, probably in November. Sold most of my Ryobi stuff. Some stuff I kept because I'm just don't want to spend the money to replace it. And it works fine. So anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.